Hi, welcome to another episode of Douchebag Unboxing. So today I'll be opening the Beats Fit Pro. I hope I like them. I got the gray color, sage gray or whatever they call it, because the black had like a bright red like B on it for the Beats. And my Power Beats 3 was black and the Power Beats Pros were black, and so I went on a limb and got gray. I don't know. And my hit shoes are gray. Is that douchey? Like I got headphones that might match the color of my shoes. I don't know. So anyway, let's open these suckers up. We will see. Super nice, smooth opening here. You just pull this over, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, got them at Target. They're on sale like everywhere, but I had an extra incentive to go to Target. And if you use your Target card, you get an extra 5% off that on top of it. So I ended up getting a pretty good discount. I didn't necessarily plan to buy these. It just kind of happened when they went on sale. Kind of a nice box. Oh, it's kind of nice. I like it. Kind of nice. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Ooh! I like it. The gray is nice. I like the gray. I didn't know what to expect. A lot of people in the reviews complain about the case. They say it's super plasticky, which I guess I can kind of feel. I guess, yeah, it is kind of. I don't know if I would feel that if I hadn't read that, but I can see where they're coming from. It opens kind of weird, but it's way smaller. Holy cow, is it smaller than the Power Beats case? Like massively different. So that's pretty nice. I like the gray color. Yeah. Yeah, it has a little instructions here to pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open, right? Oh, okay. So it's got a USB-C to USB-C connector in here. And great sound starts with proper fit, it says, and it's got different size ear pods. So, I got a pair of these with thing on. So I've been rocking this iPhone 13 mini. Use it for almost everything. I haven't made it my daily driver per se, though I would actually say this is my daily driver. So this is a little surprising. The color of the headphones don't match the case. Usually that kind of seems like it does. But so we're going to go ahead and pair these. You see how easy that pairs? I mean, that's kind of why you get in this ecosystem, is for things like that. Give me some instructions. Okay. So I don't know. I guess. Yeah. Oh, and see, now they showed up. That's kind of cool. They showed up. Kind of has a little charge, but it showed up as it shows the gray color. And just kind of a little touch, you know? I don't know. Not that that's that big a deal. So I assume they're already connected. So I'm gonna put them on. I don't even know how you put these things on. Like, it's something like, I don't even know how you put them on. I remember seeing like an instruction. You like kind of twist the hook into your ear. I don't know. So, oh, okay. Okay. Oh, is it working? Let's see what we got here. Been listening to a lot of Tool lately. Is that fitting? I don't know. Already connected. Okay, so the sound is they're nice. I like them. I mean, they feel pretty comfortable so far, but obviously I got to do workout in them to make sure they stay in place and all those things. That you can see they're way smaller footprint than these. I mean, my goodness, look at that! Look at the size of the footprint you're dealing with there. And then, in a way, they're almost a smaller footprint than the Pros, or at least kind of the same, but just different way, because this hangs down, right? Like that's hanging down out of my ear, whereas this one putting in. But like you can see, it has this extra little the hook thing, but that's in your ear, so they don't hang down. Oh, you can listen to one at a time. That's kind of cool. And it's got controls on the sides, which I haven't, I just got them, so I don't know how to use those yet. I will say the sound was a little bit disappointing on first listen, but maybe I'm not putting them in my ears right, as well as they come with these extra attachments, and I know it's important to make sure you're using the right one. So I'm excited to try them out, and I hope they work, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video on how I feel about them. I like them. I like the way they look. I'm excited about that. The case is, I can see why people think it's cheap. It like moves back and forth. Pretty cheap, I guess. Like, this one doesn't so much. I mean, the AirPods Pro case feels nice and sturdy. This does feel cheap, but maybe that's like what they're doing, cheap cases, I don't know. They look nice. I like the gray. Let's see, does it match the shoe? Pretty good. I love these shoes. I might do a video on these. These are my hit shoes. And it took me a long time to find some hit shoes because I'm new to doing hit. So, high intensity interval training. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.